Um, uh,
Good morning.
good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Wake up!
morning. Wake up! Wake up! Let's go to
I
eat
woke up. I
breakfast.
woke up.
Okay, come down.
All right.
Okay. Calm
Let's
down.
see. Let's go eat our breakfast.
All right.
Okay. Coming
Come
down.
on, come on, Mr. Skeleton. All right. Charger thing. Ah,
This chicken is really good.
And this bread is really good. I
this
like
cookie
bread.
is really good.
I can shove it down where my head used to be. Um, well, what do you guys want to do now?
I
What should
don't
we
know.
do today?
We should go outside.
What are we
Yeah.
gonna do outside?
Uh,
You know, it feels kind of lonely with like 3 people. We need more people.
yeah. Hey, I have an idea. Let's get a dog.
Yeah, we should get the dog.
Yeah,
We should
that's
get
a
a
great
dog.
idea.
Let's get a dog. Let's get a dog.
All right, let's go. Come on, guys, let's go.
Oh, get out of here.
All
This is not
right,
your breed.
okay, let's go. Guys, come on, guys, let's do.
Come on.
We're
Come
here.
on, skeleton
Skeleton.
man,
Business skeleton. Come on, we gotta go buy our dog. We
Mr.
gotta find the pet
Skeleton, you're
shop.
so dumb. We're here
We're,
at the
we're
pet
here.
store. Come on, Mr.
Yay.
Skeleton. All right,
Come on, let's go get our pet.
all right.
Yes.
Yo, there's
Okay,
a
wait,
bunch
come
of
on.
animals here. Which one should we
What should
get?
we
Yeah,
take?
a lot.
Should we get a dog? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. We already said we're getting a dog. So we're going to buy.
All right, I'll
Okay,
go.
I want this one. This one looks cute.
Yeah, it
Business
does.
skeleton, go pay.
Hey,
Okay.
let me just bring him.
All right, yeah,
Hey,
bring him. Just
sir.
wait there.
We want to buy a dog.
Wait, we did. Oh, just wait, Mister Sir. He's coming. The duck's coming. All right.
All right.
Okay, okay.
Wait.
Come on. Our dog is kind of lazy.
Can we get him, Alicia? Yeah. Okay. I see. Yeah. All right,
Okay.
let's go.
Come on, Mr. Dog. Going to be our new friend. Okay, we want to buy this dog, sir. How much will that cost?
$30.
$30? Okay, here, sir. I accidentally dropped the money. Let me
Okay,
get the
friend.
money again.
That's a pretty buff dog.
Here you go, sir. Come on, dog. Let's go.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Enjoy your dog.
Come on, dog. I have a question, guys.
What?
Ah,
What are we gonna name it?
let's see.
Let's. What if we let our viewers decide?
Yeah,
Uh,
let's let them decide.
yeah, we should let the viewers decide what we should name our dog.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Good, guys.
Okay, we need to go here. Our house is here. Come on.
All right, guys, let's go.
Come on,
The
Yeah.
dog.
back here. We're back to
It's
our house.
your. Bro, it was so
It's
long.
raining.
Yeah, it's raining. It's been we took so long. It was a long trip.
Yeah. Who
Been a
left the door open? Was it you?
It was Mr.
Maybe.
Skeleton.
Mr.
Yes.
Skeleton, you left
I
the
was
door
getting
open.
food. I was
You
kind of
can't.
hungry.
No. Okay, come in. We must keep the dog warm. Don't worry, Mr. Dog. You're safe in here with us. It's going to be warm. What should we give him for to eat? I'm gonna give him some food. Here, Mr. Dog. He
He
loves
likes
me.
it.
Yeah, he
Yeah,
likes it.
he's cute.
Yeah, he is pretty cute.
Okay, guys. Um, that's the end of the video. We're gonna go to sleep, and we're still trying to figure out a name for the dog. So tell us what should we name the dog.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to sleep
Yeah,
now, guys.
yeah,
And
of
yeah,
course.
make sure to like
Um,
and subscribe, or else a spider will appear on your bed, like what happens to Skeleton Man every night.
Yeah, he screams like a little girl. Okay,
Yeah.
good night.
subscribe
Good
for a
night.
good
Subscribe for a cookie.